Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube tutorial. Today we are going to be learning how to sew an invisible zipper with an invisible footer. For my last video we learned how to sew without an invisible footer. So today I'm going to be going through how to sew an invisible zip with an invisible footer. So let's go into the video. So firstly, I want us to pay close attention. So this is an invisible footer, this is an invisible zip footer. Then this is my normal footer, so I'm going to be unscrewing it from my industrial sewing machine. So I want us to learn how to fix our footer, because when I bought this footer I thought I got the wrong one. I was quite confused on how to fix it in my sewing machine. So for those of us who don't have an idea on how to fix it, I think this is going to be of great benefit to you. So this is our normal footer, this is our invisible footer. So this is the parts we screw for. This is a normal one, so this is where we are going to be screwing for the invisible footer. Then this is where our invisible zip is going to stay. So I'm just going to place it here. And make sure my needle, this is my needle, okay. This is my needle, this is the hole. I don't know if you can see, this is the hole that the needle gets through. So we want to be very careful where we are screwing this. So I'm just going to screw. Screw very tightly, not loosely. So you can see that my needle can go through. So these are both the fabric I'm going to be making use of. As you can see, I've ruled straight lines on both fabrics. So I'm just going to place my invisible zip on the lines to guide me on what to do. So what you want to do is that this part of the invisible footer, you can see the invisible footer is behind the edge of the zip. Then your needle should be behind at the front of the zip. The footer is holding the zipper behind. Then your needle should be at the front of the zip. Hope I'm explaining this properly. So if you can afford an invisible zipper, I think it's easier for you to use an invisible footer than using a normal footer to fix your invisible zip. So I'm just going to sew. is one part. You can see how close it is to the zip. Let's see if it's going to zip. You can see how seamless it is. So I'm just going to do that to the other fabric. So I'm just going to pin. Then I'll turn. Start sewing. You want to just use your hands to open the zip like this. Just use your hand to spread the zip. Spread it like this. So guys, here's the final outcome of the zip. You can see how seamless it zips. You can see. So the footer is just going to guide you on where to place your footer on the zip and your needle. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Please do well to subscribe. It will be of great benefit to the growth of my channel. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye.